Hey guys, welcome to Crochet Zone. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet curtain tieback designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet curtain tiebacks are decorative and functional accessories made using crochet techniques, a method of creating fabric by interlocking knobs of yarn or thread using a crochet hook. These tiebacks are used to hold curtains open, allowing natural light to enter your room, while adding a charming handmade touch to your window treatment. Key features of crochet curtain tiebacks: material, typically made from cotton, linen, or other durable yarns. Design can range from simple ropes or beaded cords to indicate lace patterns, floral motifs, tassels, or boho-inspired rings. Closer styles often include slopes, buttons, or ties to fasten around the curtain. Style match perfect for vintage basic cottage school farmhouse and elegant cottage decor styles. Benefits: customizable. You can match colors and patterns to your curtains or overall room theme. Handmade appeal adds a personal, cozy, and artisanal feel. Eco-friendly, often made with natural fibers and can be reused or repurposed. Here are some useful tips for choosing or making crochet curtain tiebacks, especially if you are aiming for a fantastic or elegant cottage look. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is ideal. It holds its shape well and has a clean, natural texture, perfect for vintage and cottage styles. For a softer, more romantic look, try linen blend or bamboo yarns. Use neutral or pastel tones like ivory, shades, dusty rose, soft blue for that soft-edged charm. Next, select a pattern that matches your style. Fantastic! Go for lacy or floral patterns like silk stitch, fan stitch, or iris roses. Elegant cottage, delicate lace stripes with peacock ends or teeny bows look beautiful. Rustic cottage, simpler designs like twist ropes, mimicry look crochet or beaded cords. Add charming embellishments, tassels or pom-poms at the ends for a playful boho flair. Crocheted flowers or leaves for a romantic garden cottage vibe. Vintage buttons or wooden beads for added detail. Keep function in mind. Make them long enough to wrap comfortably around your curtain with a bit of drop. Include a loop or buttonhole to secure it around the hook, or tie in it a bow for a more casual look. For heavy curtains, go for a sturdier yarn and a tighter stitch. Mix with other textures, pair with linen or lace curtains for a soft layered look. can even thread a ribbon or thin lace through a crochet base to add color or structure. Use multiple tiebacks per window. Double tiebacks top and bottom create a charming cottage cafe curtain effect. For long chops, a mid-length tiebacks gives a dramatic swap and a tailored look. Keep it seasonal. Make multiple sets in different colors. Soft pastels for spring, warm earth tones for fall. Add any crocheted flowers in spring, snowflakes in winter, or leaves in autumn. Match it with other crochet elements. Coordinate your tiebacks with crocheted towels, table runners, or pillow covers in the same stitch or yarn color. This creates a cohesive crowded look throughout the room. Use vintage findings. Incorporate vintage brocades, lace trims, or antique buttons as focal points. A repurposed box can become a beautiful centerpiece for the tiebacks, joints, or fastenings. Add natural elements. Tie a few dried flowers, lavender sprigs, or teeny pine cones to the tieback for a natural seasonal look. These blend well with cottagecore or garden-inspired decor. Use 12 textures. Combine crochet with mimicry, lace, or ribbon for a layered, textured aesthetic. For example, a crocheted base with a lacy ribbon. Overthrow it adds delicate charm. Play with shape and structure. Instead of a base, a strap, or cord, try a crochet ring that spills over a hook, a bow-shaped tieback with reinforced structure. A leaf or vine design that spirals around the curtain. Make reversible tiebacks, crochet on side in one pattern and color, and the other in another. Flip them seasonally or to match different modes or themes in your space. Use symmetry for a polished look. If you have multiple windows, make sure tiebacks are all the same length and style. Use symmetrical elements like mirrored flowers motifs on other sides of a curtain for balance. Secure with hidden magnets or hooks. Hide a magnet inside the crochet design for easy clipping, especially helpful if you don't want to screw hooks into your walls. You can also crochet a decorative cover for a wall hook to make it part of the design. Consider ombre or multicolored yarn. Subtle ombre yarn gives visual depth without overwhelming delicate curtain fabrics. For a playful cottage style, consider pastel rainbow or floral inspired color mix. Pair with rustic or vintage hardware, crochet tiebacks looks especially good with iron hooks, ceramic knobs, or vintage drawer pulls used as curtain holders. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!